So we've got a few minutes left. What I definitely want to do right now is tell everyone to go register for Altium Live right now. If you haven't, you'll have a chance to see Eric Bogatin in person and hear some of his very enlightening talks. Definitely going to be very interesting. But there's one last thing I want to ask you, and it's probably going to be like dropping a nuclear bomb on the podcast. But there's one last thing I want to ask you, because I want to try and ask all of the very experienced designers this, because it is controversial. What do you think about right angle traces?
Okay, so so at Signal Integrity Journal, we've had a series of articles about this. So the quick answer is folks should go to the SI Journal and type in, I think, corners or right angle bends, and you'll see a series of articles we've had. So the bottom line is, first question is, do 90-degree bends cause signal integrity issues? Or I have to get the right word. Do right angle bends cause reflections? And the answer is absolutely. We can predict them, we can estimate them, we can measure them really easily. The second question is it a problem? And the answer is, unless you're dealing into the 56 gigabits NRZ signals, probably not a problem to worry about. But very noticeable, and we do one of the examples in our class. We have the students build boards with straight lines, with 90-degree bends, and with rounded corners. We have a TDR, and they get to measure them, and then they do an estimate beforehand of what they expect the impact of the corner to be. We estimate the capacitance, and we measure it from the TDR, and darned if they aren't within about 20 or 30% of each other. And that means once you know how to predict it, you can scale it down, and you can ask, okay, when I go to a really narrow line, 50 ohm narrow line, what's going to be the impact of the capacitance in the corner? And it comes out to 5 mil wide line, you'll have about 20 femtofarads of capacitance. And now you can ask the question, is 20 femtofarads of excess capacitance an important problem in my design? And if the answer is yes, worry about corners. If the answer is no, go into more important problems. So, but SI Journal is the place to find a series of articles that we've posted there. And
very great point. So it sounds like it's just an effective return.
It's a question of how much reflection will you get, and how much is important.